Jersey number 05 to 23. Now dribbling the ball. Screen for 13. A southstep pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by 21, deflected from the outfield. Pass to jersey number 5. Cabos. Nakuha sa jersey number 23. Now jersey number 22 to jersey number 30. 2 points.
48-36. Wow, 48-36.
Now jersey number 19, 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23. Now jersey number 23. And dribbling the ball. Harassed by jersey number 7. Stay by jersey number 7. Easy basket.
Yokariza. 50-36.
50-36. 14-11. Now jersey number 30, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey out of bounds, same ball. Jersey number 3, pull-up jumper, bang! Back to back, 2 points.
38-50.
Now jersey number 30, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17, steal by jersey number 5, pass break. Away na aray ko, mukhang ka. Now jersey number 13. By jersey number 30 o 14 avance 52-38. Now jersey number 32, jersey number 5. There's a whistle. Ang mga ginambargo may God. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 7, back to jersey number 5 to 24 to 30 to 24. 3-point attempt. Bang! 3 points.
55-38.
Now jersey number 5 to 7. Fake. There's a whistle. Traveling violation. Traveling to number 05 to jersey number 17. Back to 05 to 17. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Now jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 24 to 30 in the corner. Back to 24. Back to 19 to jersey number 5. 3-point attempt. Back! Back to back! 3 points!
57-38. 58-38.
Foul jersey number 20 avance. Oh, jersey number 2 out of bounds. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. 20 na avance. Harap again. Isa pa. Cabos. Rebound by jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 26. Now jersey number 26. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball coast to coast. There's always 58-38. Now jersey number 17 to 26. Now jersey number 13. They're dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7 to 24 in the corner. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30. Pass to 28. Pass to 30. Nice pass. Pass to jersey number 32. 2 points.
48-58.
Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 21 to the corner. Okay. Deflected out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 7. Tawaiba. Easy basket. 16-14. 5 minutes. Follow up. Nice pass. to back 2 points by jersey number 03. Jersey number 21, 3-point attempt, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 03. Pass break, another pass break, back to back. Wala pa rin sila. Wala pa rin sila tawag. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 07. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by 19. Duwa ka mo. On the glass, 2 points. 4 minutes and 35. Jersey number 13, low post. Vice pass. Back to back by jersey number 03. Yatra score. Odyssey Otso avance. Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 20. Pull-up jumper. Friendly bounce. 2 points.
Gange for 2.
Jersey number 28. Attacking the basket. Out of bounds. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 21 to the corner. Another 3-point. Bam! 3 points. 23 na avance. Nice pass. Oh, talagang kasulot. Aray ko. Pass break pa gito. Jersey number 28, taway, black magid. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Now jersey number 28, harassed by 21. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner, fake, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 of that last 2 points. 2 minutes and 45. 20 no avance. 67-46. Back
67.
Now jersey number 21 to jersey number 7. To jersey na still. Now jersey number 10. As 28 dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 03. Back to 28. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken out of bounds. No. Jersey number 26. Nice pass. Odyssey number 67-48, 2 minutes and 10. Now jersey number 21 to the corner to 34. To jersey number 5, back to 21. To jersey number 28. To 21. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 24, fade away. 69-48. 1 minute and 14. Still. Now jersey number 20. Foul. Very excited. 1 minute and 30. Now jersey number 28 to 0. To 26. Pull-up jumper. No good. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 21. Pass to 24. To 19. To 24. 3-point attempt. No good. Nice block. There is a whistle. Foul. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. Umok. 1 minute.
71-48, 23-point lead.
Nagaw pa. 50. Aray ko, taway-taway. Magin. A 3-point attempt. No good. 30. 3-point attempt. No good. 15. Now jersey number 10 to 20. Pass to jersey number 16. Oh, takot-takot na. O, pa. 5.
That's the end of the third quarter.
And the third quarter. 23 avance. 7